4. Today we're looking at the DASBET 10PCS bearing race and seal driver set. I've used similar kits on wheel bearings, axle seals, and small suspension jobs, and I'll walk through what matters, what doesn't, and where this set lands. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. For technical reasons, this is a screen walkthrough rather than a hands-on unboxing, but I'll keep it practical and to the point.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
On the product page, the set includes a machined aluminum handle, a seal driver plate, and 9 adapter discs. The idea is simple. Match the disc to the outer diameter of the race or seal, stack it to the driver, and strike it evenly so the load goes into the outer rim, not through the rolling elements. That helps avoid brittling and keeps seals from buckling or mushrooming. The aluminum body keeps weight down and won't rust, which is handy if you store tools in a damp garage. I start by checking the adapter size range and the step on each disc. Clean edges with no burrs matter because a sharp lip can chew a soft seal. On this kit, the discs are clearly stepped, so seating on a race shoulder should feel positive when you begin the install. The main driver face is flat and wide enough to catch a dead blow hammer without slipping. The knurl on the handle gives decent grip with gloves on, not aggressive but better than a smooth billet. In use, the workflow is straightforward. Degrease the bore and chill the race if possible to make the interference fit friendlier. Lightly oil the seat, line the race square, and bring the driver down so the disc's rim sits flush on the race edge. Short, controlled strikes beat one big hit. You should hear the tone change as the race bottoms out and the driver will rebound less. For seals, I avoid oil on the outer shell and just lube the lip. Press them flush with gentle taps and stop the moment the face goes level with the housing. Let's talk accuracy and tolerances. With budget aluminum kits, you sometimes get discs that are a millimeter shy or proud of ideal sizes. That isn't fatal, but it means you must pick the closest disc that supports the outer rim without touching the inner lip of a seal. If an in-between size is needed, I'll put a layer of tape on the disc to soften the edge rather than forcing a misfit. The driver's flatness looks acceptable for hobby and light professional use. For stubborn, high-interference bearings, a shop press with steel drifts is still safer. Build quality is decent for the price segment. The anodizing on aluminum drivers usually scuffs after first use. That is cosmetic. The discs stack cleanly and there's minimal wobble when assembled. The carry case is compact and keeps pieces sorted. Typical drawbacks at this tier include thin plastic hinges and latches that need a firm snap to stay shut. If you throw the case in a truck bed, add a Velcro strap so it won't pop open. Who is this for? DIYers and mobile mechanics who need a portable, hammer-driven option for hubs and small press jobs. It's also useful at the track or on roadside repairs where a press isn't available. What it's not for is heavy-duty, tight-fit bearings on large trucks or industrial gearboxes. Aluminum absorbs impact and deforms before steel. That protects parts but limits maximum force. If you routinely fight seized races, step up to a steel driver set or a press in proper arbors. A few usage tips improve outcomes. Freeze races and warm the knuckle to reduce effort. Always drive on the component's supporting surface. Outer race on the outer, inner race on the inner. For seals, verify orientation and spring placement before tapping. Keep the discs clean. Embedded grit will scratch bores. If a disc edge picks up a nick, dress it with a fine file so it doesn't print into a soft seal shell next time. Compared to other budget kits, the 9 adapter spread covers common passenger cars and light SUVs. The handle length is comfortable, and the flat driver face plays nicely with rubber or dead blow hammers. The compromises are expected. Finish marks appear quickly, and the case plastics are not premium. I'd also like etched sizes on each disc. Painted markings tend to wear off, so consider engraving or labeling them yourself. Bottom line, this DASBET set is a practical, affordable solution for bearing races and seals